you'll see how much I made from Bless. I'm sure you'll be wondering how possible it is to make this huge amount from Bless, because many of you are earning around $50, $20, $30. Yes, that is like around what Bless actually paid many people. But what if you have this 50, 100, 30, $80 in multiple places? That can actually land you this same amount. Yes. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys step by step on how I was able to achieve this. And I made a video a few months back telling you guys you missed Blessed, you missed grass, you missed this and all of those stuff. And yeah, grass is still going on. You can still mine grass at this point, although it might seem a little late. But in this video, I would also show you a new node, DePIN node that you can run, and they kind of seem like it's going to be profitable like Bless and grass. Yeah, I know a lot of you also mined layer edge, which was huge disappointment. I had like several accounts for that particular airdrop, and it just didn't worth it. Even with the money we spent on mining or the NFT and everything, it just didn't worth it. I had about a lot of accounts. Don't let me mention the numbers of accounts that I had a lot of accounts mining this layer edge, and I was so happy that I was like in the top ladder board, and it was just bad. It was just bad. But in this video, I'll be showing you guys how I was able to make this huge amount. I would like to dive you guys straight into my PC and show you guys the guidelines and the steps, what I did and what you should be doing for any or the next DePIN projects that you'll be encountering or will be launching very soon. My name is Olanrewaju by name, and Lanre and Light on media. For those of you that are not watching this from YouTube or on YouTube right now, just click on the link below this particular video. I'm sure I'll be running it as ads on TikTok. So click on that link and watch the full video. Go to my TikTok bio or Instagram bio and click on the link right there. And once you click on that link, you'll be directed to my YouTube where you can watch the full video and see how I was able to scale. All right, let's dive in. So in my previous video, I've shown you guys how to get a VPS server, and what you just need to do is to log in that VPS server after getting it. So just copy that, and right here, let's use this. So then you come into your terminal. Let's make use of terminal instead of using this. So you click on this, and right here you can log in via SSH. Yeah, SSH root at then your IP. Then you input your IP there. You click on enter. It asks you for the password. Okay, let me give you a raw example of this. You input your IP. Then you click on enter. After clicking enter, it will ask you for your password. Just input your password right there, and you should be logged in right now. Okay, it's saying wrong password. Then you can re-enter your password if you got a wrong password. So right there you can see I've logged in, and you will see that it is almost the same thing as what you're seeing right here. So now go to your browser and you set for GitHub /official Nodezilla 101. I'll be dropping the link in my description as well, and you click on enter. So in the description of this video, you would see the link to this particular GitHub channel. It's actually my GitHub channel. So, and right here you would see this is the link you're going to click on to get the VPS, and I would advise you get the US region VPS for this particular setup. Get the US. So right now all you just need to do is just follow these steps how to install. You need to first get a VPS first. Get a VPS, and for best results use US region. And once you've done that, order for your VPS on Contabo. So you go to Contabo, you click on this link right here. It should redirect you to somewhere like this, and if it's not this page, it will be this particular page. If it redirects you, just click on view all right there, and you would see all the packages here. Click on configure and go for this package. You can go for the higher ones if you want. You come right here, you click on America, then you click on Central, and you can continue making, just leave every other thing as it is, then click on generate new password, then copy that password out, or probably you can just input your own normal password, and you'll be given your VPS. Now once you're given your VPS, you get an email like this. Just copy out your IP, then you can come into Shellbean and go to servers, then you click on the plus button if you're using a MacBook, then you can input your server details right here. You paste, you can copy this, then you paste it right here, then just leave every other thing as it is. Input your username, which is going to be root, then your password, input your password as well. Then once you've input your password, you can test your connection. You click on test connection, it will let you know if you input the right password or not. Then you can click on done, and your server would be right here. You can see it at the top right here. So that is it. Now once you've logged in into your server on the same GitHub, just go back to the same GitHub. You would see right here bash. This is the first step. Just copy everything right here. Let's just copy that. Let's copy everything right here. So you copy everything right here, then you go back to your VPS, then you paste. If you are using a MacBook, just use Command V, or better still, just right click and you see paste right here if you are using Shellbean. If you are using terminal for Windows users, just right click. If you right click, it will paste automatically, and in some cases if you right click, you would see paste. So just paste it right there. You can see, so it's still the same thing on both terminal. This is Shellbean. So you click on enter, and immediately you click on enter, it will give you this interface, and right here on this interface you would see the options right there. You can see fresh installation, so just click on option 1, choose 1, then click on enter, and right here it will ask you for your desktop name, which mine is going to be Larry and Light. So that's Larry and Light. Then the next thing is going to ask you for the password you want to make use of. So just input your password, and it won't display it on the screen though. So then you click on enter, and right there you are done. This is all just what you need to do in your server to install the virtual PC. And once you've done that, just wait for everything to load up right till the end. And once it loads up, the next thing you'll be needing to do is to download this Microsoft Remote Desktop. So you can download it on your Android, on your PC, on your phone. So once you can see, I have a lot of servers right there. I have a lot of servers. So let's just wait for it to install. So it's installing every other thing needed for this server to get started. So just wait for the whole installation. And one good thing is that you can have as many users as you want. You can see this particular user is Larry, and the one that I'm installing right now is Larry and Light. So there are different users, just like you're using your normal PC or your normal MacBook, and you want to create different users for different assets. So the same thing with this as well. So you can create multiple users with different assets. So just wait for everything to be installed. Everything is now installed, and it's now done. So if you want to uninstall it, just choose option 3, and if you want to reinstall it, probably if it crashed or something, you can choose option 2. And that's just all you need to do in your server. So let me try and open this particular user. If it's not opening, I will try opening the other user. So you can see right here, This particular user is Larry Light, is Larry, not Larry Light. So you can see right here, this is another desktop inside my PC. So you can see. So in order to log into the other server, the one that I just created, I don't want you to get it twisted. So just click on this plus button right here, add PC. Then that's your IP. Input your IP here. Ask when required. You can use ask when required, or you can create a username. You can click on add username right here. Then you add a username. That's the username you used, which is Larry and Light. Then my password, and you can just choose a friendly name. This one is for Larry and Light. So then you click on add. Now you've added your username and your password, then you add your IP right here at the top. So let me add my IP right there at the top. Mind you, the IP they are requesting for is still that same IP you used in logging into your server, this IP. So that is the IP you would input in this PC name. Where you see PC name, that's what you're going to input right there, and you can still choose a friendly name right here, Larry. Now in your display settings, just leave it at 32 bits. If you want to reduce, if probably your internet connection or internet network is slow, just use the 16 bits. So, and leave everything else as it is, then you click on add. So I think it has added right here. So this is it at the bottom. So I'll be opening up that user as well right now. So I think it's crashing up together. So this is the new one. So this is Larry and Light, and you can open up your Chrome browser. You can see right here, welcome to Chrome. Okay, so this PC right here is on your VPS. It is not the same PC as the one that you are using to operate this old stuff. So this is actually in your VPS right now, and right here you can now decide to install. Just set up everything here, and you can decide to now go to the web store and start installing anything you want to install, like Grass. You can see Grass Light node. Click on it. This is it. Let me widen this screen so you would see everything clearly. So you can see this is Grass Light node. So when you click on it, you can add the extension just like your normal Chrome browser, and you can actually access this on your mobile phone. You are not limited to accessing it on your PC alone. So you can sign in to Chrome just to install this particular extension, sign in your email, and or just create a new email and sign in into this server, and you can install anything, all the nodes that you want to run. Bless, you can set for Bless as well. You can see Bless node. This was how I was able to scale Bless node. So you can see you can also add the extension. It's because I'm not logged in, so you can add done. And in my next video, I'll be showing you guys some new validator extensions that you can run on your VPS.